Did you know feeding a PDF to an AI can cost several times more tokens and money than the same text in a TXT file? That's because PDFs aren't true text. Words are fragmented, and scanned PDFs are just images. So your AI burns extra tokens reading them, and they still won't copy, paste, or search cleanly. Now there's an easy way to convert any PDF to a text file in one click. Just right-click any file in your Google Drive, go to Open With, and select Convert PDF to Text. You'll get the option to automatically redact sensitive info and automatically keep one combined text file per folder or one for your entire Google Drive. And when you click Convert to Text, you'll get a lightweight text version of your PDF that's easier to work with for AI, automation, and data processing. You'll also get built-in OCR to extract text from scanned PDFs, photos, and screenshots. Instantly cut down your token usage by extracting text today. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.